जैन श्रीमान, जेएनवी रंगारेड्डी के कंडीजेंट्स को मार्च पास्ट करवाने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान। जैन श्रीमान।
Master Jagdish and Kumari Chandana leading the contingent of JNV Rangareddy.
Witness the perfect harmony of Ekta or Anushasan as our band takes the field. Chetravika, Sonu, Madhyamini, Ashleshi and Srinidhi attend the Jambori camp in Lucknow, UP. Kurva, Shilata and Moksharupa went to Taekwondo Regionals, Manvita went to Badminton Regionals and Paryapta went to Kabaddi Regionals. Leading this contingent is K.S. Shilata and the placard holder Ashleshi. Of rising sun, here comes Shivalik contingent, named after the outer Himalayas. They represent the peak of youthful ambition and tireless energy. The contingent is led by Manisha Yadav and the placard holder G. Nitya. Achievements of this house are S.P. Ragdevi Shri and J. Hanshika went to volleyball nationals and Navya Nitya for regionals. P. Manisha secured first position in national level seminar or RPVP and got selected for SCP 2026. Anugna has participated in district level Inspire Manal. Rupika and Karuna Shri have attended the Jambori camp in Lucknow. A magnificent display of energy and elegance by the Udayagiri contingent led by its commander Tapaswini Boini and the placard holder Sahibi. Achievements of this house: D.J. Nita has participated in district level Inspire Manak competition and got selected for SCP 2026. Saina Bai attended the Thalp Sainik camp for NCC. Named after one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, the Aravali contingent marches with the same timeless energy and endurance that defines the ancient hills, led by Akshandar and the placard holder Chandra Prakash. Achievements of this house are: Hashid went for volleyball nationals, Nihal went for volleyball nationals, G. Abhinav went for Kabaddi. Just as the Nilgiris are the pride of the Western Ghats, this contingent carries the pride of our school with calm confidence and steady resolve. This contingent is led by Teja Gaud and the placard holder Veeravardhan. Achievements are Pinku Raj went for basketball nationals. MU Pradeep Sagar attended the Jamboree camp in Lucknow, UP. शिवालिक की चोटियों की तरह बुलंद इरादे लेकर आगे बढ़ता ये दस्ता इस सदन के कमांडेंट के अभिराम एंड placard holder Shiva Prasad. The achievements of Shivalik are T. Sai Pranit went to nationals in basketball. S. Chandra Siddharth and M.D. Yasir Arafat went to nationals in handball. K. Roshan, T. Jashwant and E. Varun Teja went to volleyball nationals. Witness the Mount of Sunrise. यहाँ है उदयगिरी की कंटिजेंट जो सूरज की पहली किरण जैसे एनर्जी और नया जोश के साथ ग्राउंड में एंटर कर रहे हैं. Led by Commander A. Daivik and placard holder Suraj. Achievements of this house are A. Devik Reddy Inspired Manak Award. K. Jonathan had went to handball nationals. T. Vivek has went to handball nationals. Sri Kumar went for Jamboree camp. अब हमने सामने है परेडों की शान द SNG कंट्री बी प्रिपेयर्ड इनका मोटो है और इनकी सिंक्रोनाइजेशन को देख के लगता है कि यह हर मुश्किल के लिए तैयार है. लिस्ट दस्ता ने इस तरह त्रिपिका द्वारा किया जा रहा है. A pride of our Vidyalaya, this year 24 students of Scouts and Guides JNV Rangareddy got the rare opportunity of attending 19th National Jamboree at Lucknow, UP. 8 students were qualified for prestigious Raja Puraskar after attending the testing camp at JNV Karnool. Matching with the motto of unity and discipline, we represent to you the National Cadet Corps, the line of defense. For our nationals, the pride of our institution, the contingent is being commanded by J. Jyotsna. As a part of NCC, K.